Are you also facing the same problem of site has been scheduled for maintenance? If yes, then in this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you fix this issue. First go to your hosting panel. Then go to File Manager. If your web hosting is single web hosting, then go to Public HTML folder, and if your hosting has hosted multiple domains, then go to that specific domain folder. After that, you will see .maintenance files, and delete it. If you are unable to find .maintenance file, then click on Setting on top right corner and tick the option, Show Hidden Files, and save it. After that you will see .maintenance files, and just delete it. Now go back to your site and refresh it. Now you will see that your site is working well. Thank you for watching this videos. Subscribe my channel for further helpful videos. Have a nice day.